So today we're going to talk some quick tips on what to do when you're landscaping in the winter here in Arizona. Now, as you can see, it's bright and sunny, blue skies, but what people don't realize is that we do typically have a few days, if not a couple weeks, that we get into freezing temperatures at night. Very pertinent and important that during these few weeks of the winter time frames, if we're landscaping or getting newly established ficus planted, that we coordinate appropriately with either our team or our landscaper of record to use essentially a warm blanket to put over the top of the plants so that ultimately they don't get any freeze damage for them and they'll be able to establish appropriately. Now, there's a few different types of hedges we can use. Ficus is one of the predominant plants that most people are looking for. Some people would describe them as Hollywood Hedge. And ultimately these will grow as tall as you want, about 20 feet, and create a privacy screen around the property. Now, if you want to avoid using ficus, there are some other solutions, such as like a sour orange hedge. However, you have to kind of deal with the bearing of that sour orange throughout the year. So we find that there's a lot less maintenance and upkeep with the ficus, and most people enjoy having the privacy that they bring.